Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to create this sweet and simple Indian festive look. Rakhi is coming super soon and this look will be perfect for that occasion as it is so simple and so easy to create. So if you are ready, then let's begin. Starting with priming, I'm using Colorbar Perfect Match Primer. This will minimize my pores and also will create a smooth layer underneath my foundation. To even out the tone, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This look is going to be a very simple look with minimal quantity. So I'm only using one pump of this foundation. This will create a very thin, breathable layer. Quickly setting my face using a loose powder. This is again from Maybelline. I first focus on my T-zone area and then I go to the rest of my face. To give some dimension to my face, I'm using Wet n Wild Megaglo contouring palette. This formula is so creamy and buttery, which gets melted into your skin so seamlessly. For the brows, I'm using Brow Definer Pencil by Nykaa and I'm quickly filling in my gaps. I'm going to keep my eyes very simple today using Nykaa Just Wink It eyeshadow palette. I'm first taking this deeper brown color as my transition color and I'm only going to focus on my socket. Then for the lid, I'm taking this pink glittery eyeshadow and placing it all over the lid. Again with same brown color, I'm going to diffuse the color in my lower lash line. And then to brighten up the under eye and brow bone area, I'm using the lightest glittery color from the palette. I feel Indian look is always incomplete without Kajal. So for that I'm using Maybelline Colossal Kajal and see how beautiful my eyes are looking now. For the blush, I'm using Lakme Absolute Blush Brick. I'm taking first two colors from this pan and placing this on my cheeks. To bring back some light on my face, I'm going to use Face Studio Master Chrome Highlighter from Maybelline. This highlighter is so pretty, it gives you a nice healthy glow and it is perfect if you don't like chunky glitter highlighters. I'm quickly completing my eye look using a good coat of mascara. This is by MattLookCosmetic. At the end, I'm using a lip liner to line my lips first and then I'm using Nykaa So Creme Creamy Matte Lipstick. The shade is Like a Boss. This is a perfect deeper brown color which will go with any Indian outfit. I finished this entire look with some hoops and yeah, this is the final finished look. I loved this Indian makeup look. This look is perfect for Rakhi occasion. I hope you also enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial and if you liked it then don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I see you soon in my brand new video guys. Till then, bye.